One cold night, a small voice cried out. In the frozen silence of winter, when the world feels empty and cruel, kindness becomes the bravest act of all. In the heart of a vast, snow-covered forest, stood a small wooden cabin, a tiny beacon of warmth against the biting cold. Inside, by a crackling fire, Mama Cat watched over her two kittens. Her only duty tonight was to keep her children safe, to shield them from the unforgiving world outside. The gentle purrs of her sleeping kittens and the soft glow of the fire created a perfect picture of peace. But peace is a fragile thing. A sudden, faint sound cut through the calm a weak, almost imperceptible chirp from beyond their door. The kittens stirred, their ears twitching. Mama Cat paused, her instincts on high alert. Something was wrong. The sound was a plea, a tiny life struggling against the immense power of the winter night. She approached the door, her heart a mix of caution and concern. With a nudge, the door swung open, and a gust of snow and frigid air rushed in, momentarily dimming the firelight. There, nestled against a frozen bush, was a sight that broke the stillness of her heart. A tiny baby bird, half buried in the snow, trembled violently, its small body no match for the relentless cold. Her mission to keep her own family safe suddenly felt incomplete. Mama Cat knew that safety means nothing when someone else is in danger. She couldn't turn away. With infinite gentleness, she nudged the tiny, shivering creature, urging it onto its feet. It chirped weakly, a sound of desperation. Carefully, she scooped the bird up in her mouth, its fragile warmth a stark contrast to the icy air. One of her kittens peeked out from behind her, its eyes wide with a mixture of fear and curiosity. The world outside their warm home was vast and dangerous, but they were not alone. From the deep shadows between the frozen trees, two glowing eyes appeared, fixated on the cabin. A thin, cruel old fox, drawn by the scent of a potential meal, stepped silently into the clearing. Its movements were slow, deliberate, and filled with menace. It had caught the scent, a promise of an easy hunt. The fox began to circle, its gaze locked on the small family, inching closer with each silent step. The air grew thick with tension, the soft snowfall now feeling like a shroud. Fear whispered in Mama Cat's ear, "Run, hide, save yourself and your children." It was a logical choice, the instinct for survival screaming at her. But as she looked down at the tiny bird in her care and her two brave kittens standing beside her, another voice spoke, louder and clearer. It was a voice of courage. With the baby bird safely tucked beneath her, Mama Cat stood her ground. She arched her back, and a sharp, defiant hiss sliced through the night air. The fox paused, surprised by this display of defiance from such a small creature. In that moment of hesitation, her kittens, shaking but resolute, sprang into action. One darted forward, using its tiny paws to kick a flurry of snow directly into the fox's eyes. Blinded and startled, the fox snarled in frustration. At the same time, the other kitten made a sudden dash in the opposite direction, creating a diversion. Its quick movement drew the fox's attention away from their mother. Confused and disoriented, the fox stumbled, and at that exact moment, the heavy crack of a snow-laden branch falling nearby sent it scrambling back into the darkness of the forest, defeated. They had done it. They had faced the danger together and won. Quickly, they retreated into the safety of the cabin, shutting the door firmly against the cold and the lingering threat. The The silence returned, but this time it was different. It was a silence filled with relief and the newfound strength. The firelight flickered, casting a warm, golden glow on the small, brave family. Mama Cat curled up with her kittens. The tiny baby bird nestled safely among them, its soft chirps now calm and steady. That night, in the little wooden cabin, warmth replaced fear, and the family was redefined not just by blood, but by a shared act of courage. Days passed. The relentless grip of winter began to loosen. Sunlight, once a rare visitor, now streamed through the trees, turning the snow to sparkling diamonds and then to gentle streams of milk-water. The world was awakening, and with it, the little bird they had saved. It was stronger now, its feathers fuller, its chirps more confident. It hopped around the cabin, testing its wings with soft, clumsy flutters. Mama Cat and her kittens watched with a quiet sense of pride and affection. They had nursed it back to health, giving it a second chance at life. The day finally came. They stood at the edge of the forest, the sun warm on their fur. The little bird, no longer weak and helpless, stood poised on a low branch. It looked back at them, a silent acknowledgement passing between them. Then, with a strong push and a determined flap of its wings, it lifted into the air. It soared higher and higher, a small, dark shape against the bright blue sky, finally free. Some lives are saved not by brute strength or overwhelming power, but by the quiet, unwavering strength of compassion. It is a force that can stand up to the harshest of winters and the cruelest of predators. As Mama Cat turned and walked back towards her home, her two kittens trotting faithfully by her side, a few gentle snowflakes began to fall again. But this time, they didn't feel